and welcome to your Christmas 2025 present from all of us here from Pete's office in Australia. So I told you we have additional content over here, and here it is. Resources. So you got your video tutorials, the first one and the second one. And now what have we got here? Your free site download. I'll update this video embed with the one that I'm making now by the time you get to see it. And if you scroll down here, you can download this entire site on the house. There's only one condition. I'll show it to you here. Terms of service. Read all of that. Then the last one, source code and attribution license. If you download, modify or host this source code of this application, you agree to one mandatory condition. You must not remove, hide or alter the sponsored by rbagent.biz attribution links. These links are the price of the free software. Removing them is a breach of this license, and I agree, and then off you go. What that means is you can download this zip file, and I'm now going to show you how you can use Gemini to modify it to suit your brand completely. And then you can upload these files on your site and give it away for free, collect email addresses. This is the best lead magnet ever. And why is it the best lead magnet ever? If you were to go to developers and get this site built and get it working on your site, it would cost you 20 grand. Absolutely. And a lot of drama and a lot of your time. So I'm going to show you how to, first of all, I made this so simple to edit and play with. It's two files, app.html, index.html, which you get from this zip file. I'm going to show you how to use Gemini, and particularly using the canvas and the fast. It works a lot better with thinking with 3 Pro. It one-shots it, but you've got to upgrade to get that, and the upgrade is about 23 bucks a month. But I'm going to do it using the fast mode, so it's completely free. Gemini makes it so easy. You can change the design to suit your exact website, so it just flows perfectly. You can change the title, you can change the meta information, you can do anything apart from remove the sponsorship. So we've got 2 pages. We've got the front, which is the index.html, and we've got an email capture form here. And if you've got Aweber, it's easy. You just tell Gemini to swap out the code with your own code, and you can capture email addresses. If you don't have Aweber and you are using a different email system, you just apply your embed code and tell Gemini to swap the Aweber code for your code, and it will do it instantly. So you've got the front page, and you can change the image, you can change whatever you like. And then you've also got the internal page here. What's important is we use Gemini to update or edit these pages on individual files. Don't do both of them at once. Okay, so let's say we want to update the index file and change the design to suit your website. So AI makes doing this stuff so easy. So we've got our 2 files. Let's edit the index file to suit the design and brand of your website. So let's go to Google, really cool designed website, and I'll use whatever comes up as if it's yours. Cool website. Okay, a bunch of templates is perfect. So we'll say this one. I like this design, so I can just screen capture this. Now go back to Gemini, paste that in there. Now we've got to be really specific. I've supplied an HTML file. I don't like the design of it. Please update the index.html file to change the design to the same as the image screen capture of a website that I like. Now make sure you put it on canvas. Now we're doing this on the fast model. It works a lot better and generally one-shots it if you use Thinking Pro, but you only get 2 or 3 times to do that on the free account. We can upgrade to get Thinking with 3 Pro working 24/7, and it costs around $24 a month. If you can afford that, highly recommend you do it. It makes this a lot easier, but you can also do it using the absolute free API, the free Gemini Pro model. That's a great choice for redesign. Image you provided features very clean, modern, blah blah blah. Switching dark background, changing primary color text, replacing that. So it's telling you everything it's doing. Very, very cool. There you go. So it's updated that index file to suit the design brand of your website. So up here it says this, and now we can say change to my new brand.com, and it will do that. And there it is. So if you want to replace that image there, you need to have a hosted image and then provide the full path to that image in the chat here and say, please update the image on the top right with this image, and because it's hosted it will present right there for you. Then once you've done that, you grab the code. So once you go through all this and just tell it in natural language what you want it to do. Once you get to the email form, say replace, here is my new email capture form, please update it accordingly, and it will do that. Very, very cool. Then once you've done that, you go to code, Control A, then go to your favorite text editor, paste, and save as. Generally you've got to go down to save as hypertext markup. Then save it. Here it is here. Beautiful. You have now successfully changed the branding and color scheme from mine to suit your website. Now let's do the same design upgrade to this attached file, the app.html file. So now I just drag the app file in there, and just to be safe, I'll put this screen capture back in there again. It just makes it, the less they have to think, the higher one-shot ability or chance you have. Very cool. That is the app.html. The design has changed to suit your brand. So the instructions are: download the zip file, uncompress the zip file, or drag these 2 files out of it, and you can drag them individually into Gemini and then do whatever you like with them, apart from removing the links back to my site. So what you're getting and what you can promote this on your site for is a free PDF to video generator, a free PDF to PowerPoint generator, and more than likely over time I will add more additional features, free tools down here that people can use, and I will update this video tutorial and the site download the zip file accordingly. So the more stuff we add down here, each time I do that, I'll update this zip file so everyone gets the latest version. So I'll just wrap up here. I'll leave you with this.
Merry Christmas from Pete and the team.
Very cool. Obviously I was in Gemini, so I thought I'd just throw that together. So this is your $20,000 lead magnet that you can use to generate unlimited amount of leads. You can get it ranked in the search engines, get it ranked everywhere, send it out to your list where people can use it for free, host it on your own website, branded to suit you. It's been a fun project. Hope you guys have a really wonderful Christmas, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all again next year with some amazing new products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.